Hi, hopefully you have just concluded the video tip sheet for how to update your program's resource card. To be able to create a screener, scheduler, or to turn on the one-step referrals option, you will follow many of the same steps. First, log into your account at hccareapp.org. Step 2, select My Program Tools. In step 3, from the drop-down menu, click to edit program listings. Here, any programs you have claimed will be listed. You want to scroll to find the program that you wish to edit or update and select the Contact Settings button. From here, you can turn on the process for receiving direct referrals, create a screener, create an intake scheduler for community members to directly schedule appointments with your program, or change and edit how your program is contacted. The default selection is for your organization to have client's name and contact information sent to you via an email from Find Help. You would identify in the box below who at the program should receive the client referral info. You have the option to enter in multiple staff email addresses, none of which are visible or public to the client. Additionally, accessing the drop-down menu, rather than choosing to be contacted by direct referrals, you can choose to set up a screener for clients to complete. Select that option and a text box becomes available to name and input general instructions to those seeking services. Here you can see you're able to create question names to categorize each question, and you can make screener questions either free text, drop down, multiple choice, required, or optional fields. By tapping on the arrow to the left of the questions, you can quickly rearrange the order of each question, either move above or below the previous question. After you've made all of your desired edits, you have the option to preview these changes before publishing. If you choose to instead have clients complete an existing application, scheduler, or other type of form that your organization may already have in use, select that option from the drop-down and enter in the direct link to your existing intake tool. Select the type of tool that's most applicable and hit publish. Selecting the schedule an appointment option will send the designated staff email entered the client's request for an appointment. And lastly, by choosing the visit our website, call, or email us to receive services option, it does not allow the client to make contact with your program through CAREAPP. Rather, they would alternatively have to contact you by phone, email, or your external website. But these are your options for how to decide how the community is in contact with your program. Thank you.